Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a charged Arctis Nova 5 and an updated Ps5. First, power on the console and pair your controller. Plug the headset's USB-C wireless dongle into a front or rear USB port or attach the 3.5 cable to the DualSense if you prefer wired audio. Make sure the headset is powered on and set to pairing mode. On the Nova 5, press the power/pair button until the LED flashes. Once done, open Ps5 settings to prepare audio routing and device selection. With the dongle recognized or the wired connection active, go to Settings, then Sound, then Output Device, and pick the Arctis Nova 5. You'll want to set output to headphones and choose all audio or chat audio based on preference. Next, set master volume and microphone level. Speak and watch input meters while adjusting to avoid clipping. If you use Ps5 3D audio, enable it and select headphones as the output format. This improves spatial cues for games. Make sure games/app audio routing matches your choice. Finish by testing with a party chat or quick gameplay session to confirm game audio, chat balance, and mic clarity. If you encounter issues, first reinsert the USB dongle or try another USB port. If wired, ensure the 3.5 plug is fully seated. Restart the headset and Ps5 if needed. For mic problems, verify input device and sound settings, check that the headset isn't muted, and adjust mic level. If intermittent audio persists, update headset firmware via SteelSeries engine on a PC or mobile and retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.